I see you guys came back for more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today we're going to be working on this look right here. It's a very soft and summery and super easy look to create. And today I was using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it's my first time using it, so it's kind of like a review as well. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get to it. Get started. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it looks a little something like this. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyes, and then I'm just going to set the under eye, and I'm gonna set the lids as well. I'm gonna wipe away the extra powder on there so it's nice and set. And the reason why I leave the powder under the eyes is because it catches all the fallout, and it's the easiest cleanup ever. So I'm gonna go in with the color Burnt Orange, which is this color right here, and I'm going to take that on my Morphe 505 brush and blending out nicely. So I just put that shadow on my crease and above my crease because that is our transition color. And we're not doing too much since the palette is called Soft Glam. I am going for a softer look today. It's more of your everyday go-to look. I would wear it personally for work. So then I am going to go with this color right here next to the Burnt Orange. So this is Burnt Orange, this is the color we want to go with. I'm gonna take that on the crease and a little bit above the crease, just like that. Then I'm just gonna take regular blending brush with no product on it, and I am going to go in and diffuse the edges, make it softer, just like that. Then I am going to take the next color over right here and just on the crease, just to darken up the crease. And again, that's going on the crease. And I'm just using the little brush that came with the palette, which is it's a double-sided brush. It has a blending brush and it has a like packing brush. And then I'm just gonna go back with my Morphe brush with no extra product. I'm just gonna go in there and marry the colors together because, you know, they're ready to get down, girl. They're ready to get down. So you see how there's fallout right there? Fallout over here. Take your handy dandy brush and you flick it out. So I'm gonna first go in with this color right here without wetting my brush like I usually do. I'm just gonna go in with it, take some product, go in the inner corner. So I used the first color, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Maybe it's because there's no such thing as a subtle look for me. I don't know. I'm gonna try the second color, which is this one right here. And I think this one's nice. It's nice, it's cute, it's a little subtle. I think I'm gonna put just a tad bit of setting spray, and then I'm gonna go back in with that color just to make it pop a little bit more. Alright, so I did my eyeliner and popped on some lashes off camera. You could definitely leave this look like this eye look like this. Just put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes and call it a day. But I want to show you guys how it would look if you want to add a little bit extra. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner. This one's by NYX in the color Light onto my waterline. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here and I am just gonna put it on the bottom and kind of just smoke it out. So, just like that. See, it's still. So this is what it looks like with mascara on the bottom lashes, with it being a little bit smoked out. I am going to go ahead and bronze up my face because I look like a damn ghost. I'm just gonna go in with my butter bronzer, the light one and a dark one. I'm just gonna take the light one to bring my face back to life a little bit. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name? Girl, there. And then I'm just gonna take the other butter bronzer, the Sunkissed, to just kind of contour my face a little bit. So now we're taking our blush, popping that on the apples of your cheeks. Now you got a fake smile to get the apples of your cheeks. Oh, I think that's a lot. Just like that. And then I am going to carve out our contour. And for the lips, I'm just gonna add this lip liner. I like to add it all over my lips and then sometimes I tone it down a little bit. And it's in the shade Timeless Coral. But I'm gonna do that off camera because I take way too long. I decided to top off that color with the color Honey Love by MAC, just to tone it down a little bit because it was just a little too dark for me. So now I am going to go ahead and set my face with my Dewy Setting Spray by NYX. Blend it out real quick, and then I am going to go ahead and go in with my All-Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. And the reason why I like to set my face with two different ones is because I want my face a little bit dewy, because my skin is a little on the dry side right now because of the weather, and the All-Nighter Setting Spray keeps everything in place, doesn't move. So I highly recommend that one. While it's still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush into the Sunkissed and Golden Kiss by Revlon, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the face. Now I'm not gonna do it so dramatically today because it is a more subtle, more soft-ish look. So guys, this is the final look for today, and this is your go-to everyday look going to work. If you want to have a, you know, nice fresh face. I think it's very summery, very natural, very soft glam. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, see you guys next time.